If you want an easy way to use Mailchimp for social media marketing, this tutorial will walk you through the full process step by step. By the end, you'll know how to create a social post, choose the right platforms, add your content, connect your accounts, and publish everything directly from Mailchimp. If this kind of tutorial helps you, be sure to hit like and subscribe so you never miss the next one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, go to Mailchimp and sign into your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the Create option. This is where Mailchimp lets you start different types of campaigns. So click on Create to begin. From the campaign options, choose Social Post. This will open a workflow built specifically for sharing content across your connected social media accounts. Next, Mailchimp will ask you to name your post. Type in a clear name so you can easily identify this campaign later, especially if you plan to create multiple posts. After you enter the name, click Begin to move forward. This takes you into the Social Post Editor, where you can select the platforms you want to publish to. Now you'll see options for social channels. If you want to post to Facebook, go ahead and enable Facebook. If you want to post to Instagram, enable Instagram as well. You can choose one platform or multiple platforms depending on your marketing strategy. This is useful because it lets you create one post and distribute it across different channels without having to upload everything separately. Once your platforms are selected, click Save and Continue. Mailchimp will now take you into the Content Editor. This is where you build the actual post that your audience will see. Add your text, write your message, and include any images or graphics that support your campaign. Try to keep your message clear, engaging, and relevant to your audience so it performs well on social media. If you're promoting something specific, make sure your wording matches your goal. For example, you might be driving traffic to a website, announcing a product, or sharing a time-sensitive update. You can also adjust the image and layout so the post looks polished before it goes live. Take a moment here to review everything carefully, because this is the version people will see once you publish. After your post looks good, click Save and Continue again. This will move you to the final publishing step. At this stage, Mailchimp may ask you to connect your social media account if you haven't already done so. Follow the prompt, sign into the account you want to link, and approve the connection. This step is required so Mailchimp can publish the post on your behalf. Once the account is connected, you'll see the option to publish. Click Publish Now when you're ready to launch your post. Mailchimp will send the content to the selected social media platform or platforms, and your campaign will go live. And that's it. You've now learned how to use Mailchimp for social media marketing. You can create social posts, choose your platforms, add your content, connect your accounts, and publish everything from one place. If this video helped you, please hit like and subscribe for more simple tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.